Congratulations! You've already been using and familiarizing yourself with the AtoZgigs app, and you made it this far. And now your bid has been accepted. Next, you need to go and complete the job. But before you go, it's recommended that you confirm the date, time, and price with the customer. You can directly message each other using the app's chat feature. Then you need to go complete the job. Be sure to arrive on time at the scheduled date and time and with all required tools and materials. After the job is done, the customer will provide you with a rating and review. And having positive ratings and reviews reflected in your profile will help you get chosen for future gigs. After the job is complete, open the AtoZgigs app, go to your gig, and select Yes. The job is complete. At this time, the customer will be required to submit payment. Payment is done directly through the app. You can remind them that they may edit the price before paying if the scope of the work has changed or if they want to add a tip. For your first transaction, allow up to 7 business days to see the payment in your account. And that's it. You're all set. On to your next gig.